Good morning, it's Douglas from RAIZOR bringing you the latest AI news for today, Thursday, March 6, 2025. First up, here's an overview of today's highlighted topic on our blog. $20K per month for an AI chatbot? Maybe not as crazy as you'd think. OpenAI plans to launch a new line of AI agents with monthly pricing ranging from $2,000 to $20,000, according to the information. The tiered pricing structure includes a $2,000 option for knowledge workers, a $10,000 tier for software developers, and a $20,000 package offering PhD-level research assistance. This move represents a significant jump from their current ChatGPT Pro subscription at $200 per month and aims to address OpenAI's financial challenges, including recent losses of around $5 billion. The company has secured substantial backing for this initiative, including a $3 billion commitment from SoftBank for AI agent products in 2024. While the high pricing targets enterprise clients with substantial budgets, it also raises concerns about accessibility and market competition. The agents are designed to enhance efficiency by automating complex tasks across various sectors, from software development to academic research, though their cost may limit adoption to well-funded organizations. OpenAI's strategy positions them against competitors like Google DeepMind and Anthropic in the growing market for professional AI solutions. You can read the full blog post at razor.co/blog. Now let's get into today's news. OpenAI is launching 3 distinct tiers of AI agents aimed at different professional levels with monthly pricing ranging from $2,000 to $20,000. SoftBank has made a significant commitment of $3 billion to support these new agent products throughout 2025. The initiative is projected to become a major revenue stream for OpenAI, potentially generating up to 25% of their long-term income. These specialized AI agents could revolutionize workflow automation for consulting firms by providing tailored assistance for different expertise levels, from entry-level analysts to senior strategists. Google is implementing a new AI mode in its search engine that enables multiple simultaneous searches through query fan-out technology. The update includes the ability to ask follow-up questions while receiving curated links and features upgraded AI overviews powered by Gemini 2.0. Google is making the service more accessible by removing sign-in requirements and extending access to teenage users. Marketing teams can leverage this enhanced search capability to conduct more comprehensive market research and competitive analysis in less time. Alibaba has developed a new AI model that operates at a fraction of the size of competing systems while maintaining high efficiency. The model is priced competitively at 20 cents per million tokens, making it significantly more affordable than alternatives. The technology has been made openly available under the Apache 2.0 license, allowing for widespread business adoption. Small businesses and startups can use this cost-effective AI solution for customer service automation and content generation without substantial financial investment. The UK Competition and Markets Authority has concluded its investigation into the Microsoft and OpenAI partnership. Regulators determined that while Microsoft maintains influence, it does not have control over OpenAI's operations. The decision was influenced by recent changes in the partnership, including a renegotiated cloud computing agreement. This regulatory clarity provides businesses confidence in adopting OpenAI tools through Microsoft's Azure platform for their enterprise AI implementations. Those are the most important AI news articles for today. Want the links from these podcasts as well as all the latest tools and various new jobs in the AI sector? Join the newsletter at razor.co and get in touch to learn how to cut costs, boost revenue, and accelerate your business growth with AI-powered automations.